Are you looking for the best treadmill for apartment? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmill for apartment on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, NordicTrack T Series. The NordicTrack T 6.5C treadmill is the perfect device that will enable you to achieve high performance when it comes to workouts. It comes with a 10-inch full-color capacitive touch display so that you can easily monitor the progress of your exercises. You will also enjoy a 1-year free iFit membership, which is valued at $396. This best small treadmill for apartment is powered by a 2.6 horsepower motor, making it easier to deliver optimally. You will also love the easy lift assist, balanced non-flex rollers and 1.9-inch precision for flawless operations. It has a user capacity of 300 pounds, ensuring that you are fully accommodated during operations. There are 20 preset workout programs on this best compact treadmills for small spaces, and that is why you can achieve the best result using it. With a quick speed control that can be set at up to 10 miles per hour and an EKG grip pulse, this is certainly the best product to get if you want value for your money. At number 2, XTERRA Fitness TR150. The XTERRA Fitness TR150 folding treadmill is your best bet. It is specially designed for the home with great features developed with your comfort in mind. With a motor of 2.25 horsepower and a running space of 16 by 50 inches, you may not be able to get a better deal elsewhere. These best treadmills for small spaces comes with a 5-inch LCD display, which ensures that you are kept updated on workout information like speed, calories burnt, time, pulse, distance, etc. With a speed range of 0.5 and 10 miles per hour. You can easily set your speed in accordance with your ability. You will also have access to 3 manual incline settings so that you can enjoy more flexibility. You will love the 12 preset workout programs for achieving your fitness goals with ease. The speed control buttons are easy to access, while the hand grip pulse sensors are properly fitted so that you will be kept in the training zone. There are accessory holders on the console for holding your music player, phone, remote control, water bottle and so on. At number 3, Horizon Fitness Treadmill. The Horizon Fitness Treadmill is an ideal machine that guarantees the perfect workout result. It is fortified with a 2.75 horsepower motor, redefining treadmill experience for successful sessions. You can add a personal twist to your exercise by connecting your favorite media with the aid of an inch-built Bluetooth. The device holder ensures that your phone or tablet is kept in view for fun-filled sessions. You don't need to worry about low battery, since the machine comes with a rapid charge USB port which keeps you running for a long time. The extended deck of 20 by 60 inches gives you enough room to run and giving you the highest level of comfort. There is also a 3-zone variable response cushioning so that you will be given the perfect support during your stride. You can stream live or on-demand fitness classes and push your exercise data to your preferred tracking apps. There is a quick speed control for adjusting your routine to your ability so that you will be able to get the perfect result. At number 4, ProGear 4000 Small Treadmills. The ProGear HCXL 4000 electric treadmill is an ideal fitness machine for senior citizens. It comes with amazing features that will surely make your workouts achieve the most satisfactory results. If you really want to get a machine that will make it easier for you to get the best from your fitness program, you should not hesitate to consider this product. You will love its extra long safety handles with a length of 18 inches, which is longer than usual treadmill handles. These quiet treadmills for apartments is a folding treadmills for small spaces. There is also a heart pulse sensor for convenient monitoring of your heart rate so that you will know when you reach your target rate. With a running surface of 20 by 40 inches, your security is guaranteed while on fitness sessions. The 400-pound weight capacity is also a plus, and that is why it is a perfect treadmill for senior citizens. You can set your desired speed with the control buttons, and you can set as high as 4 miles per hour. At number 5, NordicTrack CommercialTreadmill. The NordicTrack CommercialTreadmill, powered by a 4.25 horsepower motor, you will surely get high performance at all times with this product. With a 1-year free iFit membership valued at $396 accompanying the machine, you can achieve more for less, especially if you are on a budget. Its 22-inch Smart HD touchscreen enables you to monitor your activities so that the best result will be achieved. There are Bluetooth audio capabilities for connecting your favorite media, and that is why you can actually enjoy your sessions. You can securely run on the deck with a size of 22 by 60 inches, giving you the power to cover more grounds. The NordicTrack CommercialTreadmill has a user weight capacity of 300 pounds, ensuring that everyone in the family is accommodated. It is designed to save space, and its easy lift assist ensures that folding and unfolding are carried out without much stress. There are 40 workout programs accompanying this machine, which will go a long way in helping you to get the best result. It works with low noise, and that is why it is a perfect treadmill on the second floor.